everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make your own stickers at home. For this project you're going to need some baking paper, some normal paper of your choice, some sellotape, scissors, and if you want to draw something, obviously a pen as well. So first thing for me, I've got this really pretty floral paper which I'm just going to cut out the flower design. This can now be turned into a sticker. Obviously you can use any design off of wrapping paper or any other type of decorative paper that you have and turn that into a sticker as well. You can also draw out your own designs on any type of paper that you want and turn those into stickers too. Here I'm just drawing a very simple leaf plant. Now once you've drawn any of your designs out, you're going to want to go ahead and cut them out of your paper as close to your drawing as possible. Now when you have all of your designs ready that you would like to make into stickers, next thing is we're going to take our baking paper and sellotape, and we're first going to take a chunk of our sellotape, cut it off and stick it straight onto the baking paper. I'm going to stick a few pieces of sellotape down, making sure that they are right next to each other or just very slightly overlapping. Once you've finished taping your first layer of sellotape down, you want to grab your sticker designs and lay them on top of the sellotape. We're then going to take the sellotape again and stick our design onto the sellotape that we already stuck down on the baking paper. So now I'm going to lay down a few more of my designs and copy the same process of sticking the sellotape on top of the design on top of the baking paper. Once you've stuck all your designs down like this, what we're then going to do is take our scissors and start cutting around each design. And that's all you need to do to create your very own homemade stickers. To use your stickers, all you do is simply remove the baking paper off the back of the sellotape and stick your design wherever you like.